Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to trim your video on CapCut application or website, sorry. So first of all, all you need to do just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case I'm actually using Brave, sorry, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So once you actually opened your browser, just go to the URL section and type CapCut.com and hit the enter button. So once you actually do that, for you if it's your first time, you'll not find this as your home or as your main screen. You'll find two options: the option of downloading it on your PC. Of course, if you want to do that, you'll find a video on this channel on how to download the CapCut application on your PC. So if you are interested, just go and check it out. And of course, if you want to use this on our browser, just go and tap at the other option. You will find this at the left. And of course, when you do that, they will ask you to log in into your account if you have an account. But if you don't have an account, you will need to create an account. You can even create your account with a Gmail account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. So once you actually create your account and log in into it, or just log in into your account, you'll find this as your home or as your main screen. And of course, from here you'll find your recent projects, or you can just go and create one or new projects by clicking at this blank canvas. For me, that's what I'm going to do. And you'll need to wait a bit. Of course, if you have it on your PC, downloaded on your PC, you'll not need to wait. It will be much smoother than a browser. Clearly, right? So of course, from here I'll need just to click once to upload my video, or you can just drag your video right there, and you'll need to wait until your video uploaded. And of course, once it's uploaded, you will need to select it and drag it to this editing area again. So of course, from here, if you want to trim your video, simply just select it and just go here to the option called trim, and then start trimming your video however you want. So let's say, for example, I want just this dog face, and I'm going to click as confirm. And as you can see, here I go. Now I need to export my video and I'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.